Hey, what's up? Donna Kirby Smith with Lightspeed Construction on your roof. Wanted to go over a couple things about how we repaired and some maybe concerns that we're seeing. I guess number one, we talked about the shingles not being exactly laid correctly, exposure lines not being right, and obviously you'd seen some pictures there. That is. The other thing is the shingles aren't exactly staggered correctly. You can go up here, you can kind of look at the stagger. Just something to be aware of. I know we were looking for a little bit more time out of what we were doing, but the stagger pattern, I guess going back to this, you should be seeing shingle meeting here, and then the next one 6 inches over and up, and then the next one 6 inches over and up, and so on and so forth. And really you can see that this is not the correct pattern for these shingles. So really two kind of negatives about this roof. The other is there's 2 layers on this roof, so whoever did it didn't know how to shingle, and they also didn't want to take off second layer. So it's, it is what it is. We got nice new ridge vents and did repairs to all the sections of the roof that we were talking about. Here's the new ridge vent, one length of new, another length of new ridge vent, new ridge vent here, and then there's new ridge vent down there as well. We also had a couple of shingle patches that we did while we were here that was discussed, and we also re-nailed some flashing on the chimney. And one of the patches is right here. This is where there were shingles that were kind of sliding because of some of the issues I was just mentioning. The other one's down in a valley. I fixed that myself just a few minutes ago. And then this is where we re-nailed the flashing around the chimney. Donna, this roof probably needs looked at least once a year, just to make sure stuff's not coming off of it. It's a very vulnerable roof, but we'll be happy to limp it along and see how much life we can get out of this thing. Thank you so much for the work. We appreciate it. Hopefully these repairs get you guys some distance, and thanks for choosing Lightspeed Construction. Bye-bye.